In this video, you'll learn how to invest in a private equity fund through a self-directed IRA. With a self-directed IRA, you can break free from the limitations of standard IRAs and unlock the potential of alternative assets. Private equity investing is now more accessible and personalized than ever before. Private equity funds pool capital from multiple investors to acquire ownership in private companies or assets. Managed by professional investment sponsors, these funds actively manage investments with the goal of generating returns for investors. Investing in private equity with a self-directed IRA offers several potential benefits. Private equity investments often involve companies in the growth phase or undergoing significant transformations, which can possibly lead to substantial returns. Additionally, private equity investments can provide diversification by adding an asset class that is typically uncorrelated with Wall Street products. Lastly, any potential gains from private equity investments held within a self-directed IRA can grow tax-deferred or tax-free, depending on the type of IRA you open. Thorough due diligence is crucial when investing in private equity. It's wise to research the fund manager, investment strategy, track record, and fee structure. When you're ready to invest, Madison Trust provides a seamless process and will assist you with the necessary documentation. Call us today to explore the possibilities of using a self-directed IRA for private equity investing.